Hey fam, I'm going to share with you 5 steps that you can take to begin deconstructing your religion. It is a process that can be difficult, but it is rewarding. Step 1, question everything. Take a critical look at yourself and everything that you do and ask yourself, why do you believe what you do? Is it because it's what you were taught, or is it because it resonates with you on a personal level? Step 2, educate yourself. Read books, listen to podcasts, and have conversations with people with different perspectives. Challenge your assumptions and be open to new ideas. Step 3, examine your own experiences. How has your religion impacted your life? Has it brought you joy or caused you pain? Understanding your own story is key to deconstructing your beliefs. Step 4, embrace uncertainty. It's okay to not have all the answers. In fact, acknowledging the mysteries of life can be freeing. Finally, step 5 is find a community. Deconstructing your religion can be lonely, but finding others going through the same process can provide a much needed support. Remember that deconstructing your religion is a personal journey. It is not linear, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. Take your time, be patient with yourself, and above all, be true to yourself.